तो यहाँ का बोर्ड है आंध्र प्रदेश बोर्ड या तेलंगाना बोर्ड. I say 100%. So that's what I said, that you have the feature of choose your board and then choose your book. Yes.
Book is a different thing, sir.
Yeah, book is a different thing, but board is more.
There are lots of publishers. One school will go with one. So I think you cannot make all the things.
See, but Smart School does that. You give the book gets mapped. If it is not present in the content, the book gets mapped. If it is already present in the content, it solves the problem. I'll give you an example. जैसे सर ने बोला.
If you go to a bookstall, we will for a class.
Thousands of publishers per class.
Thousands of publishers.
Yes,
and then
that's very true.
The pattern of each book will be. Each publisher will follow a
different pattern.
Yeah,
yes.
That's. I think. Will you map that? How can you map that?
That because you will have the book. See, if a student says this is my book, Sultan Chand is my book. I am studying from Sultan Chand. You map your content as per my book. You map my content as per my book.
Your content is same, and you are asking to map with the book.
Yes.
You correlate. You just suggest you to correlate with the content which is in the book and with your content.
With the content, yes. Yeah. The correlation takes place. Exactly. That's what sir understood. So sir, like you said कि अगर एक book को map कर दिया, अब 50% schools इसी को follow कर रहे हैं. So the next time you go to a student, that student will find कि अच्छा मैं भी इसी book से पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो वो mapped है. लेकिन ऐसा हो सकता है. There is a probability. I will not deny this. कि वो बोले कि नहीं जी मैं तो किसी थर्ड पब्लिशर से पढ़ रहा हूँ. जैसा सर ने बोला बहुत सारे पब्लिशर्स हैं. तो अगर वो कोई और पब्लिशर बोलता है और अगर वो मैप्ड नहीं होता, तो उसको मैप कराया जाता है, कोरिलेट कराया जाता है. एंड उसके बाद वो जो नई बुक आई, अब वो सब बच्चों को मिलेगी जो कि उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास के लिए सब्सक्राइब है, उस पर्टिकुलर बोर्ड के लिए सब्सक्राइब है. सो दैट्स वन ऑफ द USPs of Smart School, which not other edtech companies have currently come out with. Sorry. The mapping frame typically varies from 3 to 7 days. 3 to 7 days is the time duration. क्योंकि उसमें हम ये कंसिडर करते हैं कि आप बुक देंगे या हम बुक प्रोक्योर करेंगे. कई बार स्कूल्स जो है वो जनरली थोड़ा रिलक्टेंट होते हैं कि हम अपनी बुक नहीं दे रहे, तो जनरली यू टेक इट फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट. सो थोड़ा टाइम भी लग सकता है कि आपने उसको बुक दी बच्चे ने और फिर उसको कंटेंट को मैप. They are free to do that. हाँ. So that mapping also takes place. ठीक है. चलो. Let me quickly go ahead. Thank you so much for the round of applause for this. Yes sir. K to 12 I am talking about. Okay, now to answer your question, sir. Generally in EdTech, it's a 3 years package which is being sold for 3 continuous classes. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So effectively, if you see, the cost for 3 years is rupees just 24,000. जो कि एक मंथ की हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे थे कि 10 से 12,000 रुपए. ये 3 साल की कॉस्टिंग है. अगर आप 800 रुपीज के हिसाब से भी जाते हैं तो भी 36 months का it becomes 28,800. But as a part of the scholarship, the students, if they buy for the 3 continuous years, they get it for 24,000. And in case if still finances are constraints, so then the parents can either pay through credit card, debit card or EMI option also. They can make EMIs also for that. कई बार ऐसा होता है क्योंकि कुछ tier 2 cities में ये प्रॉब्लम भी आती है कि finances थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. Alright, so how big is this business, and then we are going to take the break. ठीक है. चलो. So total students in our country, they are about 30 crores and even more, which is not even the population of some of the countries. But to our advantage, we have more than 30 crore students. Total students who are in the process of using EdTech or are using EdTech or are potential customers of using EdTech, they are already 10 lakh. So which means only 0.3% of the market is captured. Which means every 3 students in 1,000. Now if you talk about the next, if you sell to even 5,000 students, अगर आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ इस 30 करोड़ में से, if you are able to sell it to only 5,000 students, then as per that 24,000 का figure, you are able to generate a business, a revenue of 12 crore rupees. I have still not come to the profit part. I am just letting you know of the revenue. You don't need to replace anyone in the market because 99.7% of the market is free. So it's not that कि बाकी competitors हैं तो आपकी market बहुत बड़ी है. और जैसा सर ने बोला कि अभी आप इस market में enter कर रहे हो, it's a market penetration strategy. What is Smart School's philosophy? As Mr. Vivek Bindra ji also said that if we can make other entrepreneurs make money with us, we will be successful. So that's why you people have come here for, which is the franchise model. So Smart School works on a franchise model. Now this franchise model, just to give an example, जैसे McDonald's है. So McDonald's would have thought the same, let me open one shop and sell burgers, but if they would not have gone this franchisee model distribution way, so their burger would not have been sold to us in India also. So they have also worked on the franchisee model and inspired from that, Smart School also works on a franchisee model. So what Smart School thinks is that instead of increasing my share of pie, why not make the cake bigger? यानी कि अगर आप एक केक में से अपना एक छोटा सा शेयर निकालते हो, अब अगर आपको शेयर को बड़ा करना है तो या तो आप बोलो कि मैं सारा 100% केक ले लूं, नहीं तो आप बोलो कि मैं केक ही बड़ा कर दूं कि मेरा शेयर अपने आप बड़ा हो जाए. तो it has to resonate with the first line which is there. So Smart School believes in increasing the size of the cake and not just its own share. How it does that, I'll show you. And as I said, very very important. See, creation is easy, but manage करना ना, pan India जाना, पूरे वर्ल्ड में जाना, 12 और कंट्रीज में कंटेंट को शेयर करना और हर चीज को पूरा प्रॉपर मैनेज करना, दिस इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट इज द की टू सक्सेस एज वी डिस्कस्ड. सो विद दिस I would say that we can go ahead for short intermission break because now what we are going to discuss is only the business calculations. Oh yeah, only the margins and the business calculations are left. अभी तक मैंने आपको सिर्फ एजुकेशन एंड प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताया. अब जब आप बैठेंगे अगली बार आके यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर में, तो आप सब लोग अपने नोटपैड्स और पेन्स को जरूर रेडी रखिएगा क्योंकि अब सिर्फ कैलकुलेशंस होंगी. अब जितना फीचर्स ये वो सब हो गया. डेमोस भी हमारे प्लान है, आप वो भी ले सकते हैं. सपोर्ट जो भी वेबिनार सपोर्ट्स वगैरह जिसकी बात करूंगा मैं, वो सब आप ले सकते हैं. लेकिन अब सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है और मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि जो लोग वाकई बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, जो वाकई बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, वो लोग ही वापस आए सो दैट दे मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट क्योंकि यहाँ पे पोजीशंस लिमिटेड है. तो विद दिस let's go and grab a quick meal and I would request you all to be back right at 2:05. 10 minutes is what I am giving you. Please come back at 2:05. There is a high tea which is planned for you. Please go and enjoy the high tea and come back at 2:05.
So sir, 10 minutes is the break and in 10 minutes you can in fact bring your food in the table and
Yeah,
you can
yeah.
have it.
Please,
huh?
please.